Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Abdul Wahab Tulungi. On the occasion, I will explain a little regarding the assignment from the English language subject, namely about the material used in my own home. The house that I will describe this time is located in Depok, Priestley, Jalan Depok Lama, Pancoran Mas, Sub-District. This time, I will explain the exterior of the house. Okay, this is the exterior of my house, which is located next to the old Depok station. Okay, let's get straight to the discussion. Okay, the foundation. In the building uses a river stone foundation. This is because the characteristic of the soil in the area are hard. So, the river stone foundation is the right choice. The wall. On this wall using red brick material. Why use red brick? Because it does not absorb heat. So the house with red brick wall will be more comfortable to live in and has strong durability than the wall are painted with green paint, which give the impression of a cool house. And then here there is a window with a size of 16 times 160. The window has a function a natural lighting during the day so that the house becomes energy efficient during the day. Next, there is ventilation. Ventilation function as air circulation, where the goal is to keep the air in the room awake, so that the air is held there. Then in front of the house, there is a zinc roof made of iron, which has a function to hold rainwater and sunlight so as not to fall into the front yard of the house. Then what I step on is a stapak made of a mixture of cement, sand, and gravel, then cast, so that it is dry to function as a root area landing to the house. Roof. On the roof of this building using tile material. This type of roof was chosen because it is not easy to heat up, so that the room in the house is more comfortable and cool during the summer. Fences. Fences formed from cast concrete and iron. Fences function to limit the area of the house as well as the yard and outside the house. Canopy. Canopy is a barrier to the sun. The function of the canopy is a regulator of light that will enter the room of the house, so that the light entering the room will be regulated according to the wishes of the user. The door is a place and access for home user to go out and enter the house. The material used on this door is wood. Wood was chosen because it is cheaper. Columns. Columns function as a distributor of load from the upper floor and loads from the roof, which are then connected to the foundation. In addition, on the roof there is a buffer that function to hold the roof, so that the roof can defend against rain loads and wind loads. Then here there is a beam The beam functions as a load distributor from the roof, which will be channeled to the column. And for the beam size, use 15 times T3. Now we will review in-house. And on the first floor, there are several rooms, namely the shop, living room, master room, and clean kitchen. Okay, we continue to the second floor. On the second floor, there are several rooms, namely the family room. Next, first child room. And this is family room. And then second child room. Next, bedroom. Next, dining room. Okay, and kitchen room and drying room. Okay, friends, maybe that's all the introduction of the house from me. Hopeful, what I convey can be additional knowledge for all my friends. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.